Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make guava jam, which you can serve with puri, roti and so many other things. I had 3 ripe guavas at home and I was not feeling like eating them, so I thought I can make jam out of this. Here I have washed the guavas really well and also cut the edges. Now we need to roughly chop them. Here I am taking a frying pan and into this we need to transfer the guavas. It's always better if the guavas are ripe so that you can take out all the pulp from it. Add enough water to soak the pieces. Now we need to boil these. Here our guavas are boiling. If you feel it's needed, you can add little more water. Once the guavas are nicely boiled, they will become soft and you can easily mash them. Here I am mashing some of the guavas and once they are done, we'll switch off the flame. Here I am taking a strainer. Instead of plastic strainers, you can use the ones like these because these are very strong and it will help you take out all the pulp. Transfer the guava into the strainer and with the help of a spoon take out all the pulp. This process might take a while, but you can ensure that there is no seeds left in it. Adding water as required. And here I am adding about 8 spoons of sugar. You can definitely increase the quantity of sugar as per your preference. Adding lemon juice of 1/4 of a lemon. We'll switch on the flame and give everything a good mix. Now we need to cook this in low flame for about 30 to 40 minutes until they thicken. Once it thickens, switch off the flame and store it in the fridge. Next day, here is how the jam looks like. And I'm serving this with puri. This will stay good for a few days if kept in the refrigerator. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.